In this video, I want to show you some channels that you can learn a thing or two, and most of the time the information that they are giving can help you a lot. But keep in mind, these are YouTube channel, and most time when you watch a YouTube channel, they are focusing on watch time. So sometimes you will have the feeling that you're wasting your time watching a long video. But let's look at it. So if you are starting out and you are a copywriter, these two channels, they will be recommended, and I will recommend these two channels. Why? It's obvious. Look at the channel, what this is about, and you see what those people, what kind of videos they make. And what's important is, you see they make a lot of entertainment video, or some information videos, but the playlist is important. And the reason I'm saying that is because if you choose what type of copywriter you're gonna be, it's better to watch what they are doing or what you need to know. But keep in mind, it's YouTube. Some people create videos in order to get watch time. Longer watch time means good for their channel. So this is one. I will put the link in the description, and then you have another one, and this is also a good one. And remember, go to the playlist and you have a lot of useful video that you can watch. So that's technically it. If you want to know what they are about or what they do, read the about page. Seriously, read the about page. So this is interesting because it's about SEO writing, and this one is also interesting. So here, about page, and she talks about herself, what she is, a copywriter, and what you can learn from it. So learn from people what they do in real life, and maybe it can help you, maybe not. That's technically how you need to see it. So if you have a question about this video, just go on the Discord and ask me a question about it, and I'll see if it can help you or not. If you're new to this channel and you like this kind of video, seriously, subscribe right now. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.